Welcome back students to my accounts class. We were doing adjustment in closed accounts by passing a single adjusting entry. There is one more topic regarding this chapter, adjustment entries in place of a single journal entry. That is, now we are passing more than one journal entries. Wherever there is an error regarding interest on capital or interest on drawings or salary or commission to any partner, we will make the adjustment through PL adjustment account. We'll take one question to understand this. Question number 68 on page 1.137. I'll read the question for you. The question says, on 31st March 2019, the balances in the capital accounts of A, B and C after making adjustments for profits and drawings were rupees 3,20,000 and rupees 2,40,000 and rupees 1,06,000 respectively. Subsequently, it was discovered that the interest on capital and interest on drawings were omitted or not recorded. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 was rupees 90,000. During the year, A and B each withdrew a sum of rupees 48,000 in equal installments in the middle of every month. It means that A withdrew 48,000, B withdrew 48,000 respectively during the whole year, or in the middle of each month, that is 4,000 per month, and C withdrew rupees 6,000. No date is given, it means during the year, and we'll assume that he must be drawing equal amount in the middle of each month. The interest on drawing was to be charged at the rate of 5% per annum. So interest for A and B and C will be charged at the rate of 5% for an average period of 6 months, since they are drawing in the middle of each month. And interest on capital was to be allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. The profit sharing ratio of partners was 3:2:1. You are required to pass the necessary journal entries to rectify the lapse in accounting and prepare the adjusted capital accounts of partners. Since it is given that the capitals were on 31st March, we have to find first the opening capital. Just observe on the board, I have prepared the opening capital, the calculation for opening capital on the board. We'll make the columns as per the partners A, B and C, beginning with closing capital 3,20,000, 2,40,000 and 1,06,000 respectively. Add drawings 48,000 for A, for B 40,000 because they are drawing 40,000 each, 60,000 for C. Then less profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. The profits are 90,000, so divide this in the ratio of 3:2:1. It comes to 45,000, 30,000 and 15,000. The answer that you get after subtracting is called opening capital. You can find the interest at the 10% there only. 10% of 3,20,000 is coming 32,300. 10% of 2,58,000 is coming 25,800, and 10% of 2,05,000 is coming to 20,500. Now we pass the journal entries. The first entry will be for writing back the profits which has been already credited to the partner's capital account. So we will debit A's capital account, B's capital account and C's capital account with their share of profit in the ratio of 3:2:1, as you have already done in the table above. You can copy from there 45,000, 30,000 respectively to PL adjustment account 90,000, not PL appropriation account, because they have asked you to pass adjusting entries. So the adjustment will be through opening PL adjustment account. The ratio will be being profits written back. Now we pass the entry for interest on capital. First, opening entry, as we used to do earlier while passing entry with PL appropriation account. Interest on capital account debit to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account. This will be credited to their respective capital accounts, which already we were ascertained in the table before. A's capital interest was coming 32,300, 25,100 and 25,000 for B and C respectively. So the total interest is coming 78,600. Narration being interest allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. Now since this is the opening entry, it has to be transferred to PL adjustment account to close it. It is a nominal amount. So PL adjustment account debit with 78,600 to interest on capital 17,600 being interest transferred to PL adjustment account. Now the next entry is for interest on drawings. The opening entry will be the partner's capital account will be debited, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account with their respective share of interest on drawings, which is coming 1200, 1200, 1500 for A, B and C respectively. That is 48,000 into rate 5% into 6 upon 12. That's how we got 1200 for A and B in the middle of each month. And similarly same calculation for C also. 60,000 into rate 5% into 6 upon 12, and that's how we have 1500. Add it comes to 3900 being interest charge with rate of 5% per annum. Now the closing entry will be interest on drawings account debit to PL adjustment account being interest transferred to PSL account.